So organizations routinely purchase or allocate more GPU power than they actually require. And this gets into the headroom or the just in case architectures that I see out there. So in other words, people were over provisioned. They'll buy more storage than they need. They'll buy more processing than they need because they're looking for some headroom as they grow the applications, in this case, AI applications. However, what I'm finding in many of those instances, those case studies, that they don't need the headroom. In other words, they're not going to be growing that fast. And you buying, 50 GPUs, when you only need 10 GPUs, or you buying 50 GPUs when you could certainly, do the same stuff and have adequate performance using just 20 CPUs, different core CPUs versus GPUs, which are significantly cheaper. And by the way, take less power. That's going to be efficiency to the architecture. If you're buying more resources than you need, that's going to be money that flies out the window.